Imagine having ultra-fast broadband in Hauraki.
We could attend university lectures right here in our very own region.
I would share this amazing view with all my friends live.
I could be the next big YouTuber.
My neighbours and I could be at the forefront of modern farming.
I'd talk to my specialist from right here in my living room.
I can run my business from home, despite all the chaos.
Fast broadband, that means I can bring my business to your region.
And I will run my business more efficiently.
I could live here, yet instantly be connected with family and friends all over the world.
We'd build a stronger community together by staying connected.
We are Connect IT Hauraki and we have a vision.
That our community keeps up with technology and utilises it to enable choices.
Be creative,
Inclusive.
and stay competitive in a changing world.
Connect IT, bringing opportunities to Hauraki. Are you ready? Let's go!